Jason here, gearing up for the auction bar number 20. I'm going to shut this off, but I wanted you to see it run. It's got a triple clutch. All the grinders are working. I'll shut it off and tell you a little more about it. I would shut it off, but I don't know how. Maybe we got her. Yeah, you can hear the grinder chipper still running. Lightly used Mackissic SC250. It's got a really nice sounding 16 horsepower Vanguard V-twin Briggs & Stratton engine. Looks like you can run 4-inch or smaller limbs through this hopper, an 1.5 inch and smaller through this. And like I say, I don't think it's been used a whole lot. It came up out of the Bitterroot from an estate. And if you're needing a good wood chipper processor, there you go. This would be a good one for you. So Rivers West auction number 20, selling July 22nd, 2026.